Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A manufacturer pays an excise tax on goods used in production. How is that tax treated? How is that excise tax treated? Now, what we learn about excise tax, it could be either expense or capitalized. Well, so we would say the answer is either expense or capitalized depending on the use. But here in this example, in this question, they're telling us it's used in production. It's used in production, it means it's used to produce something, inventory. Under those circumstances, we have to assume that for now, the safer, since we know the use of it, in this situation, capitalized. Notice in this situation, capitalize. Why? Because it's used in production. And the answer will be always capitalized. It doesn't mean the answer excise tax always capitalized. If it's used in production, always capitalized. Now, obviously, you could always make the case, well, I could also buy this and expense it for some other reason. It could be. But the question here, it says used in production. Used in production, it means to manufacture an asset. You add it to the asset. You add it to the inventory. Most likely will be the inventory. Here is the asset. Always expense immediately? No, because it's used in production. Not deductible? It is deductible. When we say not deductible, it is deductible. It doesn't have to be now. It's deductible eventually as cost of goods sold when the item is sold. But not deductible is incorrect. So C could be, you could either argue it's either expense or capitalized because that's the general rule. We said excise taxes, expense now or capitalize and expense later. But in this situation, since we mentioned used in production, capitalized will be a safer answer. What should you do now? Whether you are studying for the EA exam, CPA, you're an accounting student, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your education. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, exercises, multiple choice, true, false, AI resources that will help you prepare for your professional certification, succeed in your exam. Don't shortchange yourself, and God bless.